I'm super excited today because I'm unboxing my very first Fashom style box filled with beautiful clothes, and you're going to tell me which ones you like best. That's coming up next. Hey there and welcome. I'm your Real Chick Carla and this is Real Chicks TV, your home for all things beauty, skincare, makeup, fashion, lifestyle, all those girly things that we love for the woman over 40. If that's you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the little notification bell next to it so that you'll never miss one of my videos. I am really into this video today because we are unboxing my very first Fashom style box, and I have just opened the box. I haven't peeked inside, so we're going to look at everything together and we're going to see what I got. Fashom is a really cool styling service. I'm not going to call it a subscription box because you don't have to get it every month or every quarter. You get it when you want it. You get a personalized stylist, and that stylist talks to you. You fill out a little survey and you tell them what you like, what you don't like, colors you like, patterns you like, also things that you don't like, any concerns that you have. For example, I told them I wanted my tummy covered. I also told them the colors that I liked and patterns that I liked as well as what I didn't, and they picked out some clothes for me. And this is a really cool service, online shopping service, where you get a personalized stylist. They charge a $15 fee for your personalized stylist, but your very first box, that fee is free. So you get your styling service free for your very first box, and you also get that returned to you if indeed you buy something from the box. So it's a win-win. Can't lose with that. Now there are some really cool things about Fashom that I want to tell you about. They're very eco-friendly, and all of their merchandise is ethically sourced from unique designers from all over the world. That's really cool. They also give to charity as well with every single box. Not very many do that, particularly not with every single box. And they have a really cool way of thinking. They talk about body positivity, loving your body, loving yourself. They're just a really positive company, and you pick what gets shipped to you. So you tell them about your style, and then they're going to send you via email 7 different looks for you to choose from, and you pick out the 5 that you like best, and then they send you in a box the 5 that you picked out. So let's see what I got. Okay, so it comes with return envelopes, but I don't think I'm going to be needing any of these. And then we have, oh, this is nice, a card that says hello beautiful, and then on the inside it's the invoice and it tells you the prices for everything. I am excited because they did pick out some things that I may not have picked out for myself, but I'm excited to try them. I told them that my fashion sense I described as liking Reese Witherspoon and the fashion sense of Ivanka Trump. So I like classic but whimsical at the same time, if that makes any sense at all. And I think they nailed it. And look at this card. This is so cool. Better as I am, believe in yourself and you'll be unstoppable. So like I said, really big on being body positive. And they also offer free returns and free exchanges if you need them. So you try before you buy. Can't beat it. All right, let's dig in and see what we have inside. Oh, okay, put the box aside. Comes nicely wrapped. I tore that. That's on me. Okay, let's dig in. Oh, okay. The first thing I see is this dress that they described as a polka dot dress, but I am super excited to see it in person because the picture online did not do it justice. This is adorable. It's not actually polka dots. The little dots that you see are little tiny little bows. How cute is that? And I'm getting ready to go on vacation, and this is going to be adorable, and let's hope it fits, okay? So we have this dress, and the dress is, let's take a look at the invoice. It's by Gilly. And it's the short sleeve V-neck polka dot dress. Retails for $41. So everything is very affordable. So we're going to try all of this on, and you're going to help me pick in the comment section the things that you like the best. I was most excited about this right here. This gingham top, black and white gingham top, Super lightweight, super great for summer, but it's also going to carry you into the fall. That is absolutely adorable. When that popped up as one of my options, I giggled because I think that is super cute. I've been looking for things like this, but haven't been able to find them in my size because I am a plus size woman. That's another thing about this company. Doesn't matter your size. You send them your measurements, not just your size, but your actual measurements, and they find things to fit you because they're a company that believes in helping every woman feel beautiful, and that is just so special to me. I could get emotional about it, but I'm not going to. So this is adorable, and I'm going to try them on with let's see how much this is. This is $36, not bad. $36 for the top. I'm going to try them on with these Charmad Paris denim skinny cropped trousers. Aren't these cute? Look at that color. Really super cute. Got the button detail over here. Oh, it's got buttons on the legs too at the bottom, and they're capri cut, so that's going to be really super cute. I think this and this is going to be a nice color combo. Do you? Tell me in the comment section below what you think. And remember, you're going to help me pick out your favorite pieces coming up. Okay, then we have the Gilly Scoop Neck Woven Top. Now this is much nicer than I anticipated. Like I said, online, the pictures don't do them justice. It's got much more of a give to it than I thought it would. And look at that really nice detail on the sleeve there. That's beautiful. It's got the bell sleeves, got the V-neck. I can't wait to try that on. And then we have another top that I wasn't sure about when I saw it online, and I'm still not, so I'm eager to try it on. This is the Mito Shop V-neck tie-back ruffled sleeve woven top. There's not a lot of give to this, but one of the things that I told them was that I wanted to hide my stomach. Oh, look at the ruffled sleeves. It's got the really pretty ruffled sleeves. Yeah, we're going to have to try this on and see how this does, but I like that it's got the tie to it, so that's going to be really interesting to try on. So the price on the black woven top, $44. The price on this top is $41, and the price on the capris is $47. So everything under $50, and the total cost of my box is $209. If I keep all 5 items, I get a 30% discount. You get that. You get a 30% discount if you keep all 5 items. So if I keep all 5, it's $146.30 total. So 5 pieces for less than $150. Less than $30 a piece. You can't beat that. So you always get that 30% discount if you keep 5 items. And you also, though, get a 25% discount if you just keep 3. And that's a major perk because most don't offer that. They make you keep all of them or you get no discount at all. You keep 3 or 4 and you get a 25% discount. So either way, you're going to get a great discount. Oh, and you will save $10 if you use the link that I have for you in the description box below. You'll get a $10 credit, and they have a great referral program too so that you can earn some bucks towards your next box as well. So use my link in the description box below and you'll get a $10 credit towards your next box, as well as the free styling fee as well. So what do you say that we try on some clothes and you tell me what you think? Let's do it. Okay, so this is what they're calling a polka dot dress, but it's got these adorable little bows on it, and I am loving this dress. It is super, super comfy, super soft. This is definitely going on vacation with me, but you could wear this to work. I was afraid it was going to be too short. It's not. I was afraid that the sleeves were going to be too short and not cover my arms. They're not. I mean, and I also was afraid that it would accentuate my tummy. It doesn't. I have no Spanx on right now. Look at that. Look at that nice silhouette. Nice, hugs your curves in all the right places and forgives a lot of flaws. It's nice and flowy. Loving this. Stylist, you got this right. This is a win. Okay, so this is the gingham top. This is so soft and cottony. And then I've got the mint colored capris on. How cute is this? How cute is this? You could do so much with this. Look at the buttons on the legs there. Got the little buttons on the pockets. It's got pockets on the back. You could tuck this, you could tie it. A lot you could do with this. It's super comfortable. Really liking this. What do you think? Tell me in the comment section below. Is this a yes or no for the pants and the top? Yay or nay? This I absolutely love. I love this. I love this. I feel very Stevie Nicks, very belladonna. Look at the beautiful detail. It's got the open weave there. Shows a little bit of skin. It's covering my stomach nicely. Not too low cut. You could dress this up or down. This is a great top, and it's got a little bit of stretch to it, which is really nice. Loving this, but I want to know what you think. Tell me in the comment section below on this black bell sleeve top. What do you think? Yes or no? I love it. And last we have this really nice flowy chiffon top. Has a little tie up here. Now I will tell you that I would not have picked this out for myself, but I'm not hating it. I'm not mad at it. I kind of like it. Be perfect for work. Again, the stylist knew I wanted my arms covered. It's got the nice ruffle bell sleeve there. And if I turn to the side, my stomach is covered. So it's got a really nice silhouette to it. Really, really liking this. Stylist, you knocked it out of the park. I'm going to find out your name so I can send you a thank you note. Great job. I want to know what you think of all of these pieces. Tell me in the comment section below. Which one is your favorite? And should I keep all of them? Because I'm thinking I'm going to keep all of them. So that is my Fashom haul and try on. What did you think? Tell me about the different pieces, which one you like best. And should I keep all of them? Because I'm seriously thinking I'm going to keep all of them. This is probably my least favorite, but like I said, I don't hate it. I'm not mad at it. What's really cool is I probably would not have picked out any of these pieces for myself until they sent me a preview of them, and I've not seen anything like these in stores or online, so you really are getting a one-of-a-kind shopping experience with Fashom. Fashom did send me this box to review and try and to share with you, and I want to thank Fashom so much for sharing their goodies with me, because I've had a ball and had a blast trying them on. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and I hope that you'll check out Fashom. Very affordable. Like I said, everything in this box, all 5 pieces, a pair of pants, a dress, and 3 tops with the 30% discount for keeping all 5 is $146.30, plus the $15 styling fee is waived with your first box, and then that is also waived. You get that back if you buy anything out of any of your future boxes. You're not stuck into a subscription. You can invite friends to join you, and you save 30% for keeping all 5, 25% for keeping 3 or 4. It's a great service all the way around. I'm really impressed. Did not expect to be this impressed. Really was not sure what to think at all. So Fashom, I give you 2 big thumbs up from Real Chicks TV. What do you think? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I sure would appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell next to it so that you'll never miss one of my videos, because I love doing fashion as well as makeup and skincare and all of those girly things. I'm Carla with Real Chicks TV. Thank you so much for joining me today. It always makes my day that much more special when you keep me company. I'll have all of the information about Fashom and a link to it in the description box below, so check that out. I'll also have information about my makeup of the day and any of the shoes and that kind of thing that I was wearing, just in case you're interested in those as well. So until next time, keep your head, heels, and standards high. Much love to you. Bye-bye.